Hello students, today we will solve some more problems. See the problem. Calculate inventory turnover ratio from the following information. Revenue from operations 10 lakhs, gross profit 20% of revenue from operations, purchases 8 lakhs 40,000 and closing inventory 1 lakh 80,000. So in this problem opening inventory is not given. Okay, so let's start solving this problem. So let's solve first problem now. In this problem, revenue from operations amount is given rupees 10 lakhs and gross profit is 20% of revenue from operations. Okay. Therefore, first we will calculate gross profit. Gross profit is equal to 20% of revenue from operations. Therefore, gross profit is equal to revenue from operations amount is given in the problem 10 lakhs into 20%. Okay, so 20% of 10 lakhs will be 2 lakhs. So gross profit is 2 lakhs in this problem. Okay, now we can calculate cost of revenue from operations. Therefore, cost of operations is equal to, आपण वेगवेगळे फॉर्म्युले बघितले. त्याच्यात कॉस्ट ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशनचा फॉर्म्युला रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्समधून ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट वजा केला की कॉस्ट ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स येतं. ओके, सो कॉस्ट ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स इज इक्वल टू रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स मायनस ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट. अंडरस्टूड? रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स मायनस ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट. आय होप तुम्हाला दिसतंय नीट. सो कॉस्ट ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स is equal to revenue from operations is given 10 lakhs minus gross profit we have calculated 2 lakhs. So revenue from cost of revenue from operations is 8 lakhs. Cost of revenue from operations is equal to 8 lakhs rupees. Okay, now we'll write another formula of cost of revenue from operations to calculate opening inventory. So cost of revenue from operations is equal to opening inventory. हा फॉर्म्युला आपण सतत वापरतोय प्लस परचेसेस ॲड वेजीस और कॅरेज इनवर्ड जर असतील प्रॉब्लेममध्ये तर, या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये नाही आहेत. सो ओपनिंग इन्व्हेंटरी ॲड परचेसेस मायनस क्लोजिंग इन्व्हेंटरी. ओके, वी नो दिस फॉर्म्युला. ओपनिंग इन्व्हेंटरी ॲड परचेसेस ॲड वेजेस ॲड कॅरेज इनवर्ड मायनस क्लोजिंग इन्व्हेंटरी इज इक्वल टू कॉस्ट ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स. In this problem, wages or carriage inward are not given. So opening inventory plus purchases minus closing inventory. Now we have cost of revenue from operations amount, that is 8 lakhs. So 8 lakhs is equal to opening inventory amount. We have to find opening inventory plus purchases. Purchases amount is 8 lakhs 40,000 given in the problem. 8 lakhs 40,000 minus closing inventory amount is 1 lakh 80,000. 8 lakhs is equal to opening inventory plus 8 lakhs 40,000 minus 1 lakh 80,000. Okay, therefore 8 lakhs is equal to opening inventory plus 8 lakh 40,000 minus 1 lakh 80,000. So we will deduct 1 lakh 80,000 from 8 lakh 40,000. So it will be 6 lakh 60,000. So plus 6 lakh 60,000. Okay. Now to calculate opening inventory, we will deduct 6 lakh 60,000 from 8 lakhs. Therefore opening inventory is equal to 8 lakhs minus 6,60,000. So opening inventory is 1,40,000. So by using this formula we have calculated opening inventory, which is 1,40,000. Now we will calculate average inventory. So average inventory is equal to opening inventory plus closing inventory divided by 2. Opening inventory 1,40,000 plus closing inventory is given in the problem, that which is 1,80,000. 1,80,000 divided by 2. Okay, so total of this is 3,20,000. 3,20,000 divided by 2, so it will be 1,60,000. So average inventory amount is 1,60,000 rupees. Okay, now we have to calculate inventory turnover ratio. So inventory turnover ratio is equal to cost of revenue from operations minus divided by average inventory. Cost of revenue from operations 8 lakhs divided by average inventory, we have calculated 1,60,000. Okay, so we will cancel these 4 zeros against these 4 zeros. 80 divided by 16, so it will answer is 5 times. So inventory turnover ratio in this problem is 5 times. Okay, now today's second problem. From the given information, calculate the inventory turnover ratio. Revenue from operations 2 lakhs rupees 2 lakhs. Gross profit 25% on cost. Opening inventory was 1/3 of the value of closing inventory, and closing inventory was 30% of revenue from operations. Okay, so let's solve now this problem. Now let's solve this second problem. In this problem, revenue from operations is given rupees 2 lakhs, but gross profit is 25% on cost. Okay, so let's assume cost rupees 100. Therefore assume cost is equal to 100. Therefore gross profit will be 25%, that is rupees 25. Okay, and therefore revenue from operations, that is sales, is equal to 100 plus 25 rupees profit, that is 125 rupees. Okay, therefore if revenue from operations is 125, cost is 100, then if revenue from operations given is rupees 2 lakhs, then what will be the cost? Okay, so if revenue from operations is rupees 125, then cost of revenue from operations is 100. If revenue from operations is 125, cost is 100, then for revenue from operations rupees 2 lakhs, which is given in the problem, what will be the cost? That is what will be the cost of revenue from operations. ओके, हे मी तुम्हाला लिहून दाखवले. आपण अशा पद्धतीने पण मांडणी करू शकतो. बघा, रेव्हेन्यू शॉर्टमध्ये रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम operations, cost of revenue from operations. If revenue from operations is 125, cost of revenue from operation is 100. If revenue from operations in this problem is 2 lakhs, what will be the cost? Okay, so we have to solve this. 2 lakhs divided by 125 into 100. 2 lakhs divided by 125 into 100. I will divide by 25 first. 25 4 is 100. Then here I will divide by 5. 40,000 into 4, that is 1,60,000. So cost of revenue from operations for this problem is 1,60,000. Understood? Now see the problem. They told us that opening inventory was 1/3 of the value of closing inventory, and closing inventory was 30% of revenue from operations, that is 30% of 2 lakhs. Okay, so now closing inventory is equal to 30% of revenue from operations. Therefore, closing inventory is equal to 30% into 2 lakhs, that is 60,000 rupees. 60,000. Okay, so we have cost of revenue from operations 1,60,000 and closing inventory rupees 60,000. From closing inventory we can calculate opening inventory, because in the problem they told us that opening inventory was 1/3 of the value of closing inventory. Okay, so opening inventory is equal to 1/3 of closing inventory. Okay, therefore opening inventory is equal to 1/3 into closing inventory, that is 60,000. so the amount will be rupees 20,000. Okay, so opening inventory is rupees 20,000, closing inventory is rupees 60,000, and we have cost of revenue from operations also 1,60,000. Now we can calculate average inventory. Okay, therefore average inventory is equal to opening inventory plus closing inventory upon 2 is equal to opening inventory 20,000 plus closing inventory we have calculated 60,000 divided by 2, so is equal to 80,000 divided by 2 is equal to 40,000. So average inventory is 40,000. Now we have all the information for calculating the inventory turnover ratio, that is cost of revenue from operations and average inventory. So let's calculate inventory turnover ratio. Is equal to cost of revenue from operations divided by average inventory. Cost of revenue from operations we have calculated in this problem is 1,60,000 divided by average inventory is rupees 40,000. Okay, so we will cancel these 4 zeros against these 4 zeros and the answer will be 4 times. So inventory turnover ratio is 4 times. Okay, next problem. Following information is given to you. Inventory turnover ratio 5 times. So the ratio is given in this problem. Inventory at the end is 5% more than the inventory in the beginning. Means closing inventory is 5% more than opening inventory. Third, revenue from operations, all credit, rupees 2 lakhs. Gross profit ratio is 1/4 on cost. Current liabilities rupees 60,000 and quick ratio is 0.75. They told us to calculate cost of revenue from operations, opening inventory and closing inventory, and quick assets and current assets. Okay, so let's solve this problem now. Now let's start solving this problem. This problem is interesting. In this problem, inventory turnover ratio etc. is given, and we are required to calculate cost of revenue from operations, opening inventory, closing inventory, quick assets and current assets. Okay, now see the problem here. Gross profit is 1/4 of cost. 1/4 of cost. It means if we assume cost is rupees 100, then gross profit will be 25 and revenue from operations, that is sales, will be 125. Okay, so let's start. Let's assume cost is equal to rupees 100. Therefore, gross profit is equal to 100 into 1/4, that is 25 rupees. Therefore, revenue from operations, that is sales, is equal to 125 rupees. हे तुम्हाला कळतं आहे ना. कॉस्ट ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स 100 मानलेलं आहे. ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट इज 1/4 ऑफ कॉस्ट, सो इट इज 25 रुपीज. वेन वी ॲड प्रॉफिट इन कॉस्ट we can get selling price, that is sales, means revenue from operations is 125. ओके, आता मगाच्या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये केलं आहे त्याप्रमाणे आपल्याला मांडणी करायचे. रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स and cost, that is cost of revenue from operations, and revenue from operations. Okay, if revenue from operations is 125, cost of revenue from operations is 100. Okay, then if revenue from operations given in this problem is 2 lakhs, then what will be the cost of revenue from operations? Okay, so 2 lakhs divided by 125 into 100. Therefore, cost of revenue from operations is equal to 2 lakhs divided by 125 into 100. Okay, so we have calculated this sum just now. So the answer is 1,60,000 rupees. So cost of revenue from operations is 1,60,000 rupees. Okay, now we have to calculate the amounts of inventories. So here let's write the formula. Now from the ratio of, that is from the formula of the ratio, inventory turnover ratio, we have inventory turnover ratio which is given in the problem, and we have cost of revenue from operations, so we can calculate average inventory from that. So let's write here inventory turnover ratio is equal to cost of revenue from operations divided by average inventory. Okay, therefore inventory turnover ratio into average inventory is equal to cost of revenue from operations. Okay, इकडे डिवायडेड बाय इज इक्वल टू साईनच्या ह्या साईडला ते मल्टिप्लाय होतील. सो इन्व्हेंटरी टर्नओव्हर रेशो इंटू ॲव्हरेज इन्व्हेंटरी इज इक्वल टू कॉस्ट ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स. देअरफोर Now here inventory turnover ratio we are multiplying, we will take it here, so it will be divided by so average इन्व्हेंटरी टर्नओव्हर रेशो इकडे मल्टिप्लाय केलं आहे, त्याला इज इक्वल टू साईनच्या पलीकडे नेतो आहे. सो तो कॉस्ट ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशनला डिवायडेड बाय होईल. सो कॉस्ट ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स डिवायडेड बाय द रेशो दॅट इज इन्व्हेंटरी टर्नओव्हर रेशो. तुम्हाला कळतंय काय केलं आहे? इथे भागिले आहे, त्यांना इकडे नेलेले आहे, त्यामुळे ते मल्टिप्लाय झालेलं आहे इकडे. इज इक्वल टू कॉस्ट ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स. आता हे मल्टिप्लिकेशन आहे, त्यातल्या याला आपण इकडे आणलं आहे, सो ते इकडे डिवाइड झाले. सो ॲव्हरेज इन्व्हेंटरी इज इक्वल टू कॉस्ट ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स डिवायडेड बाय इन्व्हेंटरी टर्नओव्हर रेशो. ओके. नाव therefore average inventory is equal to cost of revenue from operations 1,60,000 divided by inventory turnover ratio is given 5 times. So 1,60,000 divided by 5, so it will be rupees 32,000. So average inventory is rupees 32,000 in this problem. Okay. Now see the problem. Here they told us that inventory at the end is 5,000 more than the inventory at the beginning. So closing inventory is more than rupees 5,000 than opening inventory. Therefore assume opening inventory is equal to X. Therefore closing inventory, as it is more than rupees 5,000, it will be X plus rupees 5,000. Understood? Therefore now we know average inventory. So average inventory is equal to opening inventory plus closing inventory divided by 2. Average inventory is 32,000. 32,000 is equal to opening inventory X plus closing inventory is X plus 5,000 divided by 2. Therefore we will take 2 here. 32,000 into 2, that is 64,000 is equal to X plus X means 2X plus 5,000. Okay. Therefore we will take 5,000 here, so it will be deducted from 64,000. 64,000 minus 5,000 is equal to 2x. Therefore 2x is equal to 59,000. Okay. Therefore x is equal to 59,000 divided by 2, so it will be 29,500. Okay. Therefore opening inventory is equal to 29,500. Okay. And so closing inventory will be more plus 5,000. Therefore closing inventory is equal to opening inventory plus 5,000 is equal to 29,500 plus 5,000. Okay. So it will be 34,500 rupees closing inventory. Understood? सो आपण ओपनिंग इन्व्हेंटरी आणि क्लोजिंग इन्व्हेंटरी शोधून काढलेली आहे. कॉस्ट ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स शोधून काढलेला आहे. नाव वी हॅव टू कॅल्क्युलेट क्विक ॲसेट्स अँड करंट ॲसेट्स. अंडरस्टूड? Here in the problem current liabilities are given and quick ratio is also given. Therefore current liabilities is equal to 60,000 given and quick ratio is given 0.75. Okay, that is 0.75 is to 1. Therefore now we can write the formula of quick ratio here. So quick ratio Quick ratio means liquid ratio or asset ratio is equal to quick assets divided by current liabilities. Okay, quick ratio is given 0.75 is equal to quick assets. We have to find quick assets divided by current liabilities rupees 60,000. Okay, therefore quick assets is equal to 60,000 into 0.75. 60,000 into 0.75 is equal to quick assets. Okay, so quick assets is equal to 0.75 into 60,000 means rupees 45,000 quick assets. Now from quick assets we can calculate current assets. Therefore current assets is equal to quick assets plus closing inventory. Okay, because for calculating quick asset we used to deduct closing inventory from current assets. So current assets is equal to quick assets plus closing inventory. So current assets is equal to 45,000 plus closing inventory we have calculated 34,500. So current assets will be rupees 79,500 here. Okay, so in this way we have to solve these types of problems. You have to solve all these problems in your notebook, and if there is any doubt you can ask. Okay, that's all.